video I'm going to show you how to enable supervision on Instagram. So what you want to do is open up Instagram, click on your profile, click on the top right on the hamburger menu, then click on settings and privacy, scroll down until you see supervision, click on supervision, and then you can read all of the information about it here, like you won't see their search history, messages or posts unless they have a public account or you follow them. Parents or teens can remove supervision anytime and it's automatically removed when teens turn 18. Basically, you click get started, you follow on-screen instructions, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe saying this video helped me out. If you didn't, let me know what was the problem and I'll do my best to help you out. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.